Checking my phone like it's oxygen, waiting for a spark that never comes. I'm memorizing shadows on the ceiling fan, counting all the beats of my hollow drums. I send a good night and I get a read. I pour out a river, you give me a seat. I'm building a bridge across a great divide, but I'm the only one standing on the other side. My arms are heavy from holding the weight of a ghost of a love that's already late. I'm a one-man choir singing out of key to a heart that's forgotten the melody of me. I'm tired of loving someone alone, tired of talking to a heart made of stone. I'm dancing in the dark with a shadow on the wall, waiting for a person who won't even call. It's a long cold road when you're walking for two, and I'm wearing out my soul just trying to reach you. I'm done with the wishing, I'm done with the if. I'm tired of loving someone alone. I look at our photos and I see a stranger